I think that we need to rethink. We have done things on 15 years the same way, and threat landscape has changed during the last years heavily. And we need to have a new solution and a more dynamic solution, and StoneSoft is giving on that kind of answers and hoping that we can give on that kind of answers also in the future. I think that we try to answer and tackle in cyber threats and give an answer to cybersecurity issues, because the cybersecurity as a whole is a much bigger problem, and we need to have a solution for that. We cannot anymore think about on this kind of point solutions or the solution through the appliances or one single product. We need to have a strategy on that area. Growth and profitability are important things for us, and we have been growing pretty fast lately. But profitability as itself, we are not trying to be hugely profitable, because we see that we need to invest also in the future, the new markets, strengthen our sales organization and also our marketing teams. It means that we need to answer coming threats and coming demands, and that needs more investments. It has changed, but it's, as I said earlier, 15 years we have been doing things similar way, and now it's time to rethink, and it has affected that if you look on the major players, they are really in the big troubles because they haven't been capable to adapt on these changes. Smaller players like a StoneSoft are capable to do, because this is our core business. We need to survive on what we are doing, and that's why we are more flexible, more agile, and that's the way how you answer the coming threats. The releasing Evader was one reason was that it was very difficult to explain in the end what is the problem of this advanced evasion. And if we are showing that this kind of demos and showing that we can pass by somebody's products, somebody can say that we have used something like a magic trick, or we have doing some tricks. But if you do it by yourself, you clearly can see that it works, and these products cannot protect against on that kind of techniques. Single platform approach was our long hope, because we see and saw that it's something that if we can have on that kind of solution, that it has a different kind of modes, and we have a one source code, it means that we are much more efficient developing on the new kind of features. And it also means that when you have that kind of solution, that it's not anymore that kind of that I bought on these solutions and the threat landscape changed, and it doesn't anymore answer the future threats. So we can add on new functionalities, new solutions on the same platform, meaning that you have a future-proof product. Network security is a clearly high-tech industry. It's not something that you can build on this product only in the marketing department. You need to have a solution which really works and adapts on all the time changing threat landscapes and threats. And it means that we need to invest, and we will be investing more, because it's coming more complex, and it means that we need to have more simple answers so that people really understand what is happening in the networks, and that means that we are investing more and more in that area. StoneSoft is successful because we are more dynamic, smaller player, and we really are interested about what is the network security. It's our core business, and customers who are working us can trust on us, because we believe what we are doing and we are investing on what we believe. clearly the way how we compete against the big competitors is that we are more faster, more agile, and we listen more carefully our customers. Our products are superior. I think that the one reason is that in this industry there has been so much merger and acquisitions that big players from other fields have bought on the smaller companies, and it has affected on heavily their capabilities and agility to work and as fast enough. And it's also related on that it's when we see the problem, we try to solve the problem, and we don't hide it under the carpet. We really are believing that we are building something which can protect.